Welcome back to Kenny U-Pull. Today we want to show you how to remove two parts that we sell a lot of, and that would be the sun visor and the rear view mirror. For this we will need three tools, two for the sun visor, which is a flat screwdriver and a star screwdriver, and a T20 Torx bit for the rear view mirror. We'll start with the sun visor. With this Kia Sedona van, there is a plastic cover over the screws. In some vehicles, you'll see the screws directly. So we'll start with the flat screwdriver. I'm always careful not to break the plastics. Pull a little bit, and I should be able to remove this easily enough. There we go. That plastic is off. I'll save that. And now I will take my star screwdriver, and I see there are two screws to remove. Always careful to not lose the screws. You may need them. Your van may have them, but in some cases they're either lost or rusted. So catch one there, the second one here, and the visor is removed. Now this one actually has a wire because there is a light in the mirror, so it'll simply be a matter of disconnecting that. You have a little plug right here, and that's off. Next step, if you want to remove a rear view mirror, is to see the set screw. It's quite often a Torx, in this case a T20 Torx. Insert that. Save the screw. And if I slide this up, it's going to come off right away. The last thing to do, in this case, because it's an electronic rear view mirror, there's a little catch to lift up and pull out the connector. And that part's done. So if you've been driving around without a rear view mirror or a sun visor, you see just how easy it is to come to Kenny U-Pull and pull these parts for your own vehicle.